The Tidy Up Rescue Mission. The sun was beginning to set, and the living room looked like a whirlwind of color. Blocks, race cars, and stuffed animals were scattered across every inch of the floor. Noah and Emma sat in the middle of the chaos, surrounded by their toy friends who were far from home. Emma stood up and put her hands on her hips. "Noah, look," she whispered dramatically. "The great toy kingdom is in trouble. Our friends are stranded in the wild. It is time for the Tidy Up Rescue Mission." Noah's eyes brightened. He jumped up and pretended to click a chin strap. "Ready for duty, Commander Emma. Let's get our gear on." They both mimed putting on heavy boots, shiny helmets, and powerful jetpacks. Noah spotted the first victim. Captain Cluck, the rubber duck, was stuck in the middle of the Rug Desert. Noah swooped down, making engine noises, and scooped him up safely into his arms. Emma headed toward the Table Canyon. Underneath the coffee table, Sir Zoom, the race car, was flipped upside down. "Don't worry, Sir Zoom," Emma said. "The garage base is waiting for you." "The building block brigade is scattered," Noah shouted. He began gathering the colorful blocks one by one. He marched them across the room and dropped them into the blue bin, which they called the Tower Fortress. A tiny puzzle piece was hiding in the deep couch crevice. Emma reached down between the cushions, searching carefully. "Found you!" she cheered, holding the piece up like a precious treasure. Only one thing remained, the big dragon. That was the giant toy chest that held the softest stuffed animals. Noah and Emma worked together, lifting the heavy lid so all the plushies could go inside for a nap. The mission was finally complete. The floor was clear, the rugs were flat, and every toy was back at its home base. Noah and Emma stood back to survey their sparkling, safe kingdom. Mom stepped into the doorway and gasped with delight. "What a wonderful surprise! The rescue mission was a total success," she said, giving Emma a big high five. "Now who's ready for a hero's snack?"